Let's start the topic of combinatorics and enumeration by looking at the multiplication rule. So if we let S be a set where the number of elements in the set is denoted as follows, and suppose we have two tasks, so task 1 and task 2, and task 1 can be done in m distinct ways, and task 2 can be done in n distinct ways. And we suppose these tasks are performed independently of each other, so they're independent. So for example, rolling a die and then choosing a card from a deck. So with the multiplication rule, you typically have the AND condition, because both tasks are performed sequentially, noting that they're independent of each other. So therefore the multiplication rule states that the number of ways of performing task 1 and 2 is m distinct ways multiplied by n distinct ways. So this here is our multiplication rule. And we'll cover some worked examples in the next video to really show why this works.